On a snowy Christmas night, Ezsak, Mishael, and little Zavi followed a glowing path made of giant candy canes, all the way to a place they had only dreamed of: Santa's North Pole. As they reached Santa's workshop, a huge red and gold door stood before them. It sparkled with bells, gears, and swirling golden patterns. Mishael noticed a tiny glowing button, and little Zavi bravely reached out to touch it. With a warm burst of golden light, the door slowly opened. Inside, the children gasped in wonder. Friendly elves were busy painting toys, wrapping gifts, and building magical surprises. There were trains, robots, teddy bears, and so many sparkling lights that everything felt like a dream. In the next room, rows and rows of soft, fluffy teddy bears filled the shelves. Little Zavi ran to a cuddly brown bear and hugged it tight. It was the softest teddy he had ever felt. Mishael spotted a shiny red and white machine. Suddenly, pop! A glowing candy cane spiraled out and gently floated into her hand. Ezsak and Zavi laughed in amazement as more candy canes danced through the air. Then they reached Santa's sleigh, bright red with golden swirls and glowing edges. When Ezsak touched the sleigh, tiny sparkles rose all around him, and the reindeer quietly jingled their bells. And then, the moment they would never forget, Santa Claus himself stepped into the room, smiling warmly, his glasses twinkling and snowflakes swirling around him.
Ho, ho, ho! Welcome, my little friends.
Santa waved his hand and a golden scroll unrolled in midair. Glowing letters appeared, spelling out, "Nice list!"
Look at that. Ezsak, Mishael, and Zavi, all on the nice list.
Santa led them into a giant room filled with colorful presents. With a twinkle of his fingers, the gifts lifted high into the air, floating and spinning magically. To thank them for their kindness, Santa gave each child a special snow globe. Ezsak received a tiny red toy train. Mishael received a shining dancing star, and Zavi got a little teddy bear inside his. As they held them, the globes glowed warmly in their hands. And that magical night at Santa's North Pole is a memory the children will treasure forever. Want to see more magical adventures? Watch more fun videos on Amazesphere Kids. And don't forget to subscribe.